Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace. Welcome. In my channel, I upcycle furniture. I upcycle anything. In today's video, I'm really excited. I got these lamps in Marketplace. I'm going to show you. I'm going to paint them and let's see how these babies turn out.
I want to get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I want to see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long.
The color I'm going to be using, No More Drama. Okay, No More Drama, and it's by Bear. Also by Bear, it's called Solid Gold. And I'm going to be using, of course, black and white brushes. For you to do this project, you find whatever works for you. But I like, because there's so much detail in this, I like to use a brush that's, that'll fit right into the nooks and crannies. Is it just me or do you guys like peeling this paint around? Oh my gosh. These are so easy to paint. If you do want to try it, I recommend it. Go on Marketplace, buy a lamp that you like the shape. These two, I paid $30. Okay, so that's the first coat on the top. Let me just show you. Hubby bought these, guys. Oh my gosh. These are so freaking good. I've been munching on these and I just can't. They were $1.97 and I can't stop eating them.
I want to know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken.
It's kind of unique. My husband says it looks like, I don't know, some type of torpedo or something. And I'm excited because I have big plans for it. So I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. I kind of measured it this way, all the way down. And then I did in the center all the way down. And then I kept cutting it into small squares so I got the size that I wanted. And this is about 1 inch, probably 1.5 inch. I marked every other one with B so that I know that that one's going to be black.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Sled and with the first coat to let it dry and give it another coat, and then we're going to start adding the color. Just rested it here on top of a can of paint. I'm going to be painting it in this lovely red. Color is No More Drama. So let's see how this baby turns out. And now I'm going to let it dry. But this is what that lovely red looks like. It's so pretty, so vibrant. It's the absolute perfect Christmas or holiday red. I do recommend this one. And now this trim here, I'm going to do it in a green. This is alfalfa extract. Hey, go figure, alfalfa. I've always liked the little rascals. Nice. The only thing is with this paint, I find that, you know, when I shake it, it is a bit runny, but I'm okay with that. It doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, use a different type of paint. I could use a bigger brush and this would probably be done a lot faster, but you know what? At the end of the day, when I edit the video, you're going to see it instantly. And I'm just enjoying it. What you don't see is that I put on my radio and I play Mozart. It depends what type of mood I'm in. Sometimes I play the 80s music and then I just paint. This is relaxing to me. It relaxes my brain. White, green, and red. So yeah, right now I have an Italian sleigh. This is what I got as my stand. And this is where the sleigh is, and it fits right on top, so I can turn it around and use it as a turntable. Now I don't know what I'm going to be doing here. I gotta clean that spot up. Maybe I'm gonna be putting some gold. Does Santa's sleigh have gold? I'm pretty sure Santa loves gold. Maybe it's silver. Silver bells. I'm sure he likes gold. If he doesn't, hey, too bad. I freaking love this idea. Look at this. Christmas green. And now I'm going to add the little bit of whisking. I don't want to put too much.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy.
Now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking it needs a little something. So I'm going to add a little, maybe a few dots. This is a bright green, but I think it really pops with a dark green. I don't know, guys. Do you like it? Would you not put this? I'm curious. Sort of want to make this almost like little light. Santa's sleigh is lit up.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
I don't know if I should put something over here for now. This is how it looks.
Open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I ask that you consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time. Have an amazing week.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
As honest as you are, the way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever.